Hi, welcome back. I just got something I'm really excited to show you guys. Look what I just got today. This is a Firelight Hydrangea. These will grow in my area. So I live in Utah, zone 6, kind of maybe zone 6B, 7A, and a lot of hydrangeas don't work here, but the panicle type do. I have little lime, and it's been in for 3 years, and it works really well. So I'm excited. Let me show you where I'm gonna put this. I was gonna say more, but I just came back from Home Depot. I was going to get rebar and twine, but look what I came home with. Oh, I'm so excited. Firelight Hydrangea. I live in Utah Zone 6, very pH soil. We cannot grow the macrophylla or quite a few different hydrangeas, but the panicula or panicle types, let me show you. We can grow those here, and I am thrilled. It made my jaw drop. It made my jaw drop. I was so excited to see this. So I'm trying to decide where to put it. I think this is the best spot. So you also have to see another one I got. This is a dahlia. Look at the contrast with that white. I think it's called Mystic something. Let's go look. This one is called Mystic Illusion. Look at the contrast. So this one is an annual in my zone, but I can dig it and plant it every year. This one is a perennial, and it should come back every year, bigger and better. Let me show you. So this spot right here is nice and open. Right now I just have annuals right in the middle, so this can fill into its 5 by 6 feet right there. It might crowd the rows a little bit, but it's easier. I can move things around too. It won't be that big of a deal. This is where I decided to put my Firelight Hydrangea. I'm gonna keep a lot of water on it for the next little bit because it is gonna be pretty hot out here. But look at all the surrounding stuff. I am so excited. I'm a little out of breath because it was a lot of work to put it in there, but it was so much fun. Look at the contrast between the Mystic Dahlia and the Firelight. The Dahlia is an annual, but I can pull up the tuber and replant it. I'm loving all the daylilies around. There's a gorgeous sentimental rose there. Look at these different colors in this bed. I want to show off these daylilies for a minute. These ones are called Ruby Spider, and they're on the way out because it's almost 9 o'clock. But I can't believe this reblooming dahlia. It gives me so many blooms from July all the way till frost. There's my new hydrangea, Firelight. Lindsay wants to say hi.
Hi.
Three, two, one, go.